Yannis, Giorgos, Vasilis, Nikos, and Spyros. Kayakers brave, on the Aegean deep blue. From Xiliadou beach, their voyage began. Exploring the sea's wonders, an intrepid clan. Through dangerous rocks and caves they'd glide. Paddles slicing water with determined stride. In nature's embrace, they found solace and glee. United by friendship, forever free. The Aegean unveiled secrets, a vibrant display. Coral reefs, fish darting, a mesmerizing ballet. With each stroke, they reveled in nature's might. Their spirits soaring, like seagulls in flight. Yannis, Giorgos, Vasilis, Nikos, and Spyros. Adventurers united, with hearts all aglow. Their tale inspires, as waves kiss the shore. A testament to courage, forevermore.